I believe the foundation will be your intake of content. People don't take that advantage. Most of the people are caught on the wrong side.
कि इंग्लिश एंड कम्युनिकेशन क्या कोऑर्डिनेट है या फिर मतलब ये क्यों इतना ज़रूरी है आज के दिन में?
Generally people say answer is no, I say an answer is yes. And we are not here to come chalana, we are here to make something really great.
फेवरेट इंग्लिश वर्ड?
Generally for in my training session, most of the time I will come use the word yes and no. Whatever your profession is, I believe communication is one skill which will stand you apart.
Hi everybody, welcome to my place. Well, I just hope you guys are doing great, and if you are not, I am sending my best wishes that you can get everything whatever you manifest for. So today, as you can see me, I'm so happy today, and because I have the honor of hosting a truly remarkable individual who has inspired countless individuals with his expertise in corporate training. And he is not only a corporate trainer, he is also a renowned inspirational speaker. So without further ado, let it be clear at once, and he is none other than Dr. Dhananjay Bhatia, sir. Okay, so first of all, how are you doing, sir?
All good, fantastic.
Okay, so you know what कि मैं मेरे चैनल में इंग्लिश एंड कम्युनिकेशन रिगार्डिंग के मतलब टिप्स होते हैं, या फिर मेरे ऑडियंस के इस रिगार्डिंग मैं टिप्स देती भी हूँ, और कभी कभार क्या उन लोगों को हेल्प करेगा. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क यू कि मतलब आपको क्या लगता है कि इंग्लिश एंड कम्युनिकेशन क्या कोऑर्डिनेट है, या फिर मतलब ये क्यों इतना ज़रूरी है आज के दिन में?
I believe communication is one skill which is called as the king skill, because I believe that the people who have ruled the world are the people who are great communicators. If you take example of anyone, whether it is Nelson Mandela, Mahatma Gandhi, King Martin Luther, these are the people who are able to express what is going inside them, what is their thought process. Coming on to the agenda, whether English is important for communication, generally people say answer is no, I say an answer is yes. I believe English definitely will add on to the flair that you exhibit. I'm not saying it is compulsory. There's a difference between being it's compulsory, or there's a difference between saying that कि इसके बिना काम नहीं चलेगा. काम चलेगा, and we are not here to काम चलाना. We are here to make something really great. So I believe if you know English, you have an added advantage that you can communicate with a larger set of audience. There are translators available. That is absolutely fine, but still, I believe your conviction toward the subject will get into an exponential level when you can communicate with more clarity in English.
Okay, great. So can you share with us a bit about your journey into the world of corporate training and inspirational?
I believe whatever I've done in my past and wherever I'm standing today, it is nothing which is planned. I truly believe in destiny. I work hard, but I ensure that I don't have what you say, a plan that this is what I'm going to achieve at this point of time. So I started post leaving my corporate assignment. I was earlier heading Reliance for Orissa, and I got a training proposal that they wanted to do a training program in Raipur. So मैंने बोला कि let me try it out. The feedback was good. So I did my first event the year 2015, and I got a good feedback, and after that the journey moved on, and till date I've done more than 2,300 plus events.
Wow.
I've addressed people across 24 states. I've done session for IAS officers, IPS officer, Indian Army, BSF, CSF, doctors, auto association. So I've targeted multiple audience, and I try to ensure that I talk in their language. That is what I believe is the most important part of communication.
Okay, so how amazing he is, as you can see. So मैं बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेने वाली हूँ, but I just want to ask you, what is your favorite English word? Like what you actually use in your daily life, like anything, like favorite English word?
Generally for in my training session, most of the time I will come use the word yes and no, because I want to ensure that the participants are involved. That is important. And when you say what I use regularly, I believe that it depends upon with whom I'm having a conversation. Whether it's a formal or an informal communication, it all depends upon the setup.
Okay, one more question. Could you provide some tips for improving inspirational communication skills, especially in a professional context, like how we can
I
just...
believe the foundation will be your intake of content.
Okay, yeah.
Who is your source of reference? I believe social media itself is a university. People don't take that advantage, and most of the people are caught on the wrong side of the channel. I believe that it has got enormous option for everyone who wants to ensure that they get into a different thought process. So we have fantastic speaker, and not only in India, from multiple different part of the world. So I believe start listening to people who have already experienced, who have already proven their track record. And once you start listening to multiple people with multiple thought process, and if you try to culminate everything, you create your own version of things. तो मुझे लगता है कि आप लोगों को सुनिए, अलग अलग थॉट को सुनिए, अलग अलग माइंडसेट को सुनिए, एंड व्हेन यू कंबाइन एवरीथिंग टुगेदर एंड क्रिएट योर ओन पैटर्न, दैट्स कॉल्ड क्रिएटिविटी. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे कमिट अ मिस्टेक कि वो एक जन को सुनते हैं और उसी को बोलना चालू कर देते हैं. दैट्स कॉल्ड कॉपी. When you listen to one person and you try to deliver the same talk, it is called copying.
Okay.
But when you listen to multiple people and you deliver talks in bits and pieces, that's called creativity. Creativity will require that effort.
Like your own version.
Yes, and your own version will come from multiple version. You can't sit and say Om Namah Shivaya and uncreate something new. It will never happen.
Okay, so last but not the least, sir, like finally, what advice would you like give to my audience or like your audience?
My advice is please ensure that whatever your profession is, I believe communication is one skill which will stand you apart. I truly believe that there are people who have 100% knowledge, but their communication skill is only 10%. So when they talk, people assume their knowledge to be only 10%. There are people whose knowledge is 10%, but communication is 100%. That is where they make an impact. So your communication is your helmet, and your knowledge is your driving license. So if you don't have a helmet and if you are having a driving license, still you have to pay for challan. So I believe it's a combination what you should go for.
Okay, so thank you so much for being here, sir. It's amazing to connect with you.